Welcome to the tutorial video of how to draw portrait with name. This is the second part of this tutorial. First part I have teach you how to draw the outline of this portrait. Mm, If you didn't watch that outline video, you can check out that video on the description box. I have put the link of that video. And in this video we are going to draw the hair part and with the name only. You know that I am drawing Captain America, so his name is little big, Captain America, and you can sort that your name with the CA, or you can write the full name C Captain America. Let's start with our tutorial video. First I have to erase the all outline part, then we start our writing part. I start with the left hand side of this portrait. As you can see in the reference, the left hand side of this hair is very dark, so I'm going to write the alphabet very close and no space between them, so it look very dark as the reference. Just see what I'm doing here, and to show the dark part of hair. Let complete this part, then we go to the next part. Now I'm going to draw the middle part of the hair. As you can see in the reference that middle part has many darker area, lighter area, and some part starting is dark, then it goes to lighter part, then again it goes to dark part. This type of hair how to draw, let's see. Now I'm going to draw the hair, and I'm going to make the shape of the hair, how the hairs are going, in which direction they are going, where the which part has to be dark and which part is to be light. I will differentiate that part. Then I'm going to shade the hair. Shading is very easy, and in dark part you have to write the alphabet very small and no space between them, and in lighter area you just have to write the alphabet little bit bigger and little bit space between them, so that way you can show the light area. In the space like just some part is slowly become darker. In that type of area, first start with the small alphabet and then slowly make them bigger and bigger and bigger. In this way you can make a shaded area where starting is dark, then it goes to light area. This way you can do the shading of hair. Let me complete this part, whole part. After that you can go to the next last part of the hair. Now we are going to draw the last part of hair. As you can see in the reference image, this part is different from the left hand side and the middle part of hair. This part has two different shades, one is very light, one is very dark. So this type of hair we have to write the first part of name with very light pressure, and in the second part of name with more pressure. So this way we can show the light part and the dark part in this area of hair. Let's start with our drawing. Here's our hair part is complete. In next video I'm going to teach you how to draw the eyes, nose and lips with the help of name. And see you in the next video, guys.